Okay, so if you're an EV owner, you know that range estimate is everything. You live by it. So what on earth happens when you do something totally normal, like getting new tires, and suddenly that number just tanks? Well, it's a real thing, and today we're going to break down this awesome report from Oak Ridge National Laboratory that explains exactly what's going on.
So let's really get into this. Picture it. You just dropped some serious cash on a fresh set of tires for your EV. You're expecting peak performance, right? But then you start noticing you're not getting nearly as many miles out of a full charge. It's confusing, it's frustrating, and for a lot of owners, it's a one-way ticket to the dealership, convinced something is broken.
And listen, you're not going crazy. The folks at Oak Ridge National Laboratory looked into this because it's a real concern. People genuinely think their expensive battery is failing or there's a problem with the motor. But here's the twist. The problem isn't the car at all. It's the rubber.
So let's start unraveling this mystery together. To really get why your range drops, we first have to talk about this invisible force that's constantly fighting your car's efficiency. And that force has a name: rolling resistance. It's basically the energy that gets wasted just from your tires squishing and flexing against the pavement as they roll. You know, the bike analogy here is absolutely perfect. If your bike tires are low on air, you have to pedal way harder, right? Well, it's the same thing for your EV. More resistance means the motor has to work harder, which burns through your battery and cuts right into your range.
All right, now get ready for the first major plot twist in this story. Because the first clue to solving this whole thing, well, it's hidden in the very tires you just got rid of. Turns out, they were hiding a little secret.
This sounds totally backwards, I know, but as your tires get older and the tread wears down, they actually become more energy efficient. See, with less rubber tread, the tire gets stiffer. It doesn't squish and deform as much when it rolls. And less squish means less wasted energy, which means lower rolling resistance.
And we're not talking about a tiny difference here. This is a big deal. Over the life of your tires, you could have unknowingly gained up to 15% more driving range compared to when they were brand new. Your EV was secretly getting better and better with every 1,000 miles.
But here's the catch. You never felt that bonus range because it happened in super slow motion. We're talking a tiny fraction of a percent at a time, over maybe 2 or 3 years. It's the silent, invisible gain, and that's exactly what sets you up for a very sudden, very noticeable loss.
So that's part one of the puzzle. Now let's get to part two, because it turns out not all tires are made the same. And the ones that came on your car from the factory, yeah, they're special.
The tires that are on a brand new EV are called Original Equipment Manufacturer, or OEM tires. Car companies work hand in hand with tire makers to design these things. They are custom tailored to that specific car's weight, its aerodynamics, all to squeeze every single last mile of range out of it. Most replacement tires you buy off the shelf, on the other hand, are more of a one-size-fits-most deal, designed to work okay on hundreds of different cars.
And you don't have to take my word for it, the data is crystal clear. This chart from a California Energy Commission study shows it plainly. On average, those special OEM tires have way lower rolling resistance than the general replacement tires. The numbers just don't lie.
So let's be clear, this is not a small difference we're talking about. When you switch from those hyper-specialized OEM tires to a standard set of replacements, you could be putting on tires that are on average over 20% less efficient from the second they're installed. That's a huge hit.
And that, my friends, brings us to the grand finale, the efficiency double whammy. This is the moment where those two things we just talked about, your secretly super efficient old tires and your less efficient new ones, collide. Let's just walk through the whole journey using the Ford F-150 Lightning from the report as an example. So you start day one with a brand new truck. You've got about 290 miles of range. Now over the next tens of thousands of miles, as those tires wear down, your range slowly creeps up, maybe even past 300 miles. You're at peak efficiency. Then you do the responsible thing. You get new replacement tires, and bam! Instantly you lose all that gradual gain you never noticed. And then some, dropping you all the way down to maybe 280 miles.
So yeah, in a worst-case scenario, the report suggests you could see a drop of up to 25% from your absolute peak range. Think about that. You go from the highest efficiency your car has ever had to a much lower efficiency. Overnight! That is a massive sudden shock to the system that you are absolutely going to notice.
Okay, so we've cracked the case, but what does this actually mean for you as an EV driver? What's the big takeaway from all this science?
Let's break it down real simple. First, and this is the most important part, relax. Your battery's probably fine. Second, just remember, your old worn-out tires were secretly your best friends, giving you a nice little range boost. That gut punch of a range drop you're seeing, it's not just real, it's pretty much expected. This also means if you want to keep that original range, you should look for those OEM tires or others that are specifically labeled low rolling resistance. And one last cool fact from the report, you'll probably notice this drop the most when you're driving around town because rolling resistance has a bigger impact at lower speeds.
And all of this leads to one final, really interesting question. I mean, we get efficiency ratings on our refrigerators, our washing machines, even our windows. So given how huge of an impact tires have, especially on an EV's range, shouldn't they have a big, clear, easy-to-read efficiency label, just like an appliance? It's definitely some food for thought.